Here's a detailed note for your YouTube video. Welcome to SNAutoLuxury, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, specifications, and features of the latest automobiles. Today, we are taking a close look at the Honda WR-V, a compact SUV that has gained popularity for its practicality, design, and performance. This car is designed to offer a perfect blend of style, comfort, and efficiency, making it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable and feature-packed vehicle. The Honda WR-V comes with a bold and sporty design that sets it apart from other cars in its segment. The front grille features a strong chrome accent that gives it a premium appeal, while the sleek LED projector headlamps with integrated DRLs enhance its modern look. The sculpted lines on the sides and roof rails add to its rugged appearance, making it a great choice for both city driving and highway cruising. Moving to the interior, the WR-V offers a spacious and well-designed cabin with high-quality materials. The seats are comfortable, providing ample support for long drives. The rear seats offer good legroom and headroom, ensuring passengers travel in comfort. The dashboard is equipped with a touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone connectivity. The climate control system is effective, and the overall ergonomics make it easy to access controls while driving. Under the hood, the Honda WR-V is powered by both petrol and diesel engine options. The 1.2-liter IVTEC petrol engine delivers a smooth and efficient drive, making it ideal for city commutes. It produces 90 PS of power and 110 Nm of torque, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The diesel variant, on the other hand, features a 1.5-liter iDTEC engine that generates 100 PS of power and 200 Nm of torque, mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. The diesel version is known for its impressive fuel efficiency, making it a great choice for long-distance travelers. One of the key highlights of the Honda WR-V is its excellent ride quality. The suspension is well tuned to absorb bumps and rough patches, ensuring a smooth and stable drive. The steering response is precise, making it easy to maneuver in tight city spaces while also offering good stability on highways. The ground clearance of 188 mm allows it to handle uneven roads with ease, adding to its practicality. When it comes to features, the WR-V is well equipped to meet modern needs. It includes keyless entry, push-button start, cruise control, electrically adjustable ORVMs, and a sunroof, which adds a premium touch. The safety features include dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a multi-view rear camera for enhanced visibility. These safety features ensure that both the driver and passengers are well protected throughout the journey. The fuel efficiency of the WR-V is another strong point. The petrol variant offers an average mileage of around 16 to 17 km/h, while the diesel version delivers an impressive 23 to 24 km/h, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its segment. The boot space of 363 liters is sufficient for carrying luggage, making it a practical choice for families and frequent travelers. The Honda WR-V is a solid choice for those looking for a compact SUV with a good balance of style, comfort, and efficiency. It offers a reliable engine, a comfortable cabin, and modern features that enhance the overall driving experience. Whether you are driving in the city or heading for a long trip, the WR-V ensures a pleasant journey with its smooth performance and practical features. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to SNAutoLuxury for more in-depth car reviews, comparisons, and the latest updates from the automobile world. Stay tuned for more exciting content.